Hey friends, thanks for joining me. We have some interesting things we're gonna go discover here. All right friends, so every year, for the past 4 years or so, I've helped some good friends on some apartment turnover maintenance. So you always find some interesting things. And one interesting thing I found recently is this dishwasher that was full of water. It turns on, the lights turn on, but it won't run a cycle. Opening it up, you see it was full of water, and so I started fishing around and found where I could take the different parts off of it. And now I want to show you, this is a zip strip. It has these little barbs, just like a plastic little piece. It's got a little hole there. You push it down there and hopefully you can take out the clog or whatever. So we're gonna go and find where it has a spot that it drains. So when you take out a piece, you can look, and this piece was the lowest piece down there. Let's see, and then this piece sat on that, then this piece, and then this piece. So this is the lowest. It's got this little scoop where the water drains out there. So you find where that was at, and we are going to try, hopefully we can fish this down there and see if we can get the clog out. Now you notice I got some gloves on. I'd recommend gloves. I've done it without gloves and it makes your hands smelly. So we are fishing for the drain, where it would go down, and hopefully I can find if there's something clogging it, we can pull it out. It smells lovely. It does smell wonderful. That's sarcasm. So we didn't get it down all the way. I'm gonna try one more time. With this thing, you kind of have to work it around because you're trying to find where it goes down and makes a turn, and it's going to go over here because this is where the sink is. So it's going to find that drain line and drop into that drain line. It does not smell pleasant. Okay, so I still got water in there, so the zip strip did not work. I'm gonna try her one more time, but for your sake, I'm not gonna keep filming. If I do find where it drains, I'll come back and I'll talk about it, but right now it's hard to breathe in here because this stinks and the whole place is not move-in ready smell. So thanks so much for watching, folks. Thanks for your view. Remember, this is a zip strip. I highly recommend having one of these if you're a homeowner or if you own an apartment and something gets clogged, maybe just fish it down there and fix it. Make sure you work hard, friends, because hard work's its own reward. Thanks for watching. Hey friends, well, I fixed it, but not with the zip strip. So what I did, this thing, I ran a load and it worked. The thing that I did was the drain line right here. I unhooked it, then I put my shot vac up to it and just sucked out everything that was in there, got the clog unstuck. So that was a good thing. And it ran a load, so back in business. Thanks for watching.